Kublai phi baro shakatup khubor jungi ke dan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan mentaka singi kilong. Lapli ka LL yon ka shlam hikai komputer ya ki samlari hoy. Yat pat ba kino hikai kontrak bandawa thungkam. Kamu ba rumbui ki ustad ka pule puthi ha Meghalaya. Ban kliwon ya uba George ya menteri rangba. Tementang ni phai ki khubor ki bakhambania. Ki khon samla ka themri bhoi kilong ki badan bok namar menta ka sngi ka khanriu terik lapli ka shlam hikai computer ka bakerteng ka LL yon institute hanong po ka bala kershan bat bei baiseng da ka skill Meghalaya development scheme ban kentiu ya ki khon samla ban yeng halaki jong ki kjan ban seng halaki jong ki kam ki jam hakane ka sngi pli ka ni ka shlam hikai computer uba mar bhabok nongbri skill development officer ula batai sani ki jingthmu ki lat ki lenti bat ki baiseng baidang baka MSDS ka kershan bat ka aish ki tu ki breu ki basdang yala ki jong ki kam ki jam ki weipat ki balakran ai mensiem hakane ka jingyalang pli ya ka ni ka shlam hikai computer kilong uba chorus marwen ubalawan kumukongsan bat ka samla miracle lapang Usamla sanku parsengkli director jaga shlam LL yon ula batai ya ka jing sedang jaga ne ka school hikai computer kinong hikai bat ki khna pule kila penrehem mensiem hakane ka sngi da ka jinge don lang jongki hakane hi ka sngi ple la penrung kerteng ya ki samla ki bakwa ban sedang no ya ka jing pule hakane ka shlam
bon bha ka potential laki ki don bon bha ka jing kwa jongki tang ba ka bangi so si pada kalong ba kamdon gen kata kalat ya ki bakin le ya ki ni ki eken deling ba kan ki scheme ni kwa ban rap ya kata kan ni kwa ban rap ya ki bakin le ya eken bat ka ba ka jing em ka jong ki kan te kata ka ni ka em ding jong ling ba jong ka ni ka scheme ka skill Meghalaya te menda ka sngi ngis dang hang ne po Elilion Institute de kanika data entry de nang ne ngin da kat bangi dang ya nang ne shakmat ngi kwa ba kini ki khana ro kin yo jing man to shu kin yo jing man to shu kin yet shu ki jing tep kin sedang kin shu ya ki kam ki la ki kam la jong kin
Kino hikai kontrak ki bala shaweng kam nadu usnam 8,000 arphwe namar baka kontrak jongki kelakut no haka jingkran jongki shakilat patai khubor kila batai halor ka ra jongki ban penlong daka jingyat pat ba menta ka singi khan riu tere unai lur ban dawa na kasor kar jilla ban thung kam byang yaki Shwaban yat rali kila penlong ka jingyalang pat ba jongki hakmat umot kyang nang ba ubadon Shillong surok Shillong civil hospital Hakani ka jingalang lawan syembentalang di kiseng bhalang bakentup ya ka AIM bat ka HNYM rengkat kinong hikai kontrak ki balawan najan bat najengai banya syembenta haka jingdawa na ka sorkar jela ban thungkam hikai biang yaki
Seka makhadus dan habarok ilian habang ta ka jing puri puti ha ka hakayo ka kot hakinong rep haki khana student hati apo sekretariat mem ka jing tu ka jing thiem ka pang kai sure hingga nyata ka jing tu ka pang kai sure sekretariat tambah ka matam ka bakan syatam ka jing tu ka badai di sekretariat kadi batu ya kalau jing khana school ka tu ya future jang ulawai jang khana pen menta ka tu se kalau jing khana phisia phishom hane buduri gitu ki khana ki badai hok ki banyo ka jing nang start kidan na pedang khana menta ki bala berkala ki IAS ru ki pemandur ya kini skit jungi tamam phisia badai phishom hane Dei balai baka sarkar ka tu ya kalong hok jong kena
Menteri Ketenat Penroy Pule Puthi Education ka Sorkar Jela ubala kemen rumbui ulakam baka Pule Puthi haka jela kala ki ustad menta hapo ka jingyalam jo kani ka Sorkar Haba jubab halor ka jing yatai bawanra adoba HM Shangpliang hador bar senrai ka balong hne ka sngi ka khan riu tre unai lur menteri uong ba ukhmi lenti baka report na ka banta usnam 8,000 arphwe ka kerdan jo ka Meghalaya kan kiu kham sajrong na ka ka ba kalong baro shikata ula pentebru banalor ki spa tali ki school bagi sedang te menta ka tenat Pule Puthi ka penkhre ru ban maramot daki hajar tali ki jaka pule badan haka jela Kumpan syupen kan mau, udai ubah lakman rumbui, menteri ki Pule Puthi, ubala jubab hakane ka sen syong dorbar, bakidan hadu life hundriu tli ki school primary sorkar, hakkeleng ki district ka jela, ki bamdon uwei ne ka weiru unong hikai. Nakanu kalat perkhat ubah lakman rumbui, ukam baka jingnang jingtip ka kiu badroi stat hapo ka sorkar MDA.
School West End Hills, Tirasing Memorial Government Higher Secondary School Shela Bholakanj, Iskas Hills, United Kharkota Higher Secondary School, North Karo Hills. And besides that, sir, just the other day, We told that the second phase, more than 100 schools will be taken up, and more than about 1,000 schools will be renovated. Why no government do this? But we have complete what we have identified. That's why we are able to sanction this and do this. And not only that, sir, not only that, the Honorable from Mausram tell me that it is just a lip service. Sir, we meet it. That's why I told that within 100 days, more than 100 schools.
Haka kenta kali jingkali menta kasngi ka khandreu tere unai lor hayeng dor bar thawan uba George Lingdo UMLA ka umroi ulakali wania na menteri rangba ukon rat ki sangma ka nutli ki kam ki balat lani ki vacant post hakitna tre kam ba pher jaka sarkar jilla menteri rangba ula juba daga baong namar kila bon palat ki office jang kitna tre kam ka sarkar haka jilla bar hakari India hi barokawe umla ban aya ka juba menta kumne hadu ka nutli ki kam ki balat Haki department babun judge ka sarkar jilla.
He presumes, sir. But my idea of explaining to the entire house regarding the complexity and mentioning about the different offices is to really shed light on the fact that it sounds very simple when you say departments, but every department has got, some have got multiple directorates, some in the directorate itself have got 46 different offices. Some have different offices in different locations. All this information has to be collected correctly, sir. If I were to place a number today and tomorrow that number happened to be, we missed out somewhere, something, then I would be blamed for misleading the house, sir. I can't do that. And I'm trying to be responsible out here, and that's why I have given a very true fact. There is a complex data, and we are collecting the information, sir. So I don't want to mislead the house. Tomorrow, the same members will come to me and say, what about this one post of peon that was in Meghalaya house in Bombay that has not been mentioned in this? So then I will be in a difficult position. So therefore, sir, I have to be very clear. I want to be responsible here, and I'm telling the members that we are collecting the information. It's complicated, sir.
Uba the sparsing rani ustar wajing te bajleu lengba ka RTI ulaya thu hakila pathai khubor haka khandre ture unai lor ba ulayo jing te lengba ka RTI ba kidon hadu 8000 saus pa nyau teli ki kampulet ki balat haki kerdan ba pher nadu ka snam 8000 khat phra ula ong ba kani ka jingbam pendap ka sarkar yakini ki kam ki bathli kala bo iki samla wat kam wat jam hakani ka jela haka jingleng khom jingmut ba jingdu jingkermen yala ka jong kalawe ula ong ru ba kidon bon ba ki kam ki balat hakitnat department ba pher joka sarkar jela
kala khnai phutli nanta apo komandan First Battalion Moyong kalai Chispa South Puar. Nanta SP West Karo Hill Tura kalai New Artillery. DIGP Western Range Tura kalai UA. SP West Khasi Hill Noston kalai South Artillery. SP William Nakar kalai Tang Artillery. SP West Karo Hill Tura kalai Artillery. Directorate of Anti-Infiltration Shillong kalai New Artillery. Principal Police Training School kalai khalai teli komandan 3rd battalion subsen jawai kalai aspa apa subsen jawai kalai aspa South teli SP North Karo Hill Jesuel para kalai khatpra teli SP South West Karo Hill Ampati kalai South Hosan teli tiga total vakansi apa policeman Borowing State kadon hadu 8000 South pa nyuh tamun 8000 steng duna Tikani di kepakansi kebangayo Boroway Kastir.
Habau ba dasa kya lamare menteri ki kam transport umla ban ai ka jubab halor ki jingkili jong ba Merrill Bonds em na nongpo paru ba AL hack na penthor umkhra halor ki kam ki baya de bat ka lenti rel hakane ka jila menteri rangba umban seban kenrup halade ban ai ka jubab halor ki ni ki jingkili menteri rangba ula ai ka jubab da ka baong bakal lenti rel na do Assam shadu bernihat ka yad bet walada mi bon ki jing e ban shna ya ka ni ka lenti rel kumba kalong hamendi pathar kadon ka jingpet ngor ba jingpet benya lani ka checking ya kinong shong rel ulaya thoru ba ka survey lenti rel kala don nadu bernihat shadu Shillong kani ka survey kala poi hadu lailat henre lahaban pensange no shwayaka namar lami bon ki jing e Kumta Piyush Goyal Menteri ki kam penroy lenti Railways Minister ka Sarkar India ulas ngap bat menjur ya ka jingker pat ka Sarkar Meghalaya bat menta ki la pensange no ki kam tat hadu bagi pat ba bat ka Sarkar Jylla ki hun bat ki pediang ya ka lenti rel ha ka nikathan.
Sir, with regard to this, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister whether the state government has asked or proposed for the construction of railway line in Khasi and Jaintia Hills region. If yes, kindly mention in which area or location the railway line is proposed to be constructed and to specify whether it is for a goods carrying train or for passenger train.
No, sir, there is no proposal, sir. As per my records, the only matter that we have is pernihat to Shillong, sir.
Adventurous new trap offloaded kan penlong ya ka 4th edition of 4x4 challenge hakah new bat pratrik ubenai risau ar puar. Habakran sekila patai Khubor Shillong Press Club haka kanriu terik matau benai nailur ar puar. U President joka ahor uba Damien Umdor. Ulaya thu ba ya kani ka jingya kop en penlong hakar satipa kabadon Haribhoi district. Uba Umdor ulaya thu ba kabairong kan long 100,000 sanspa ya ki kali ki bamdon kam banshnapen bha bar kharwe 1,000 tengka ya ki kali ki bahab banshnapen bha. U General Secretary jangka ahor uba Ferdinand Jarin ulaya thu ba kinu ki ba job ha kani ka jingya kop nya kali kin sa chajit banet yeshim banta haka rainforest challenge kaban salong ha GOS ban yorong shaka international.
Ki hab bakadon ka challenge akmat jongki ki obstacles ya ka ba ki habban complete within the specific time ya ka bangi labu each track te hakani ka sin ka ba menta kadon santali ki track ki obstacles na ka benta ka modified but santali na ka menta ki stock category but ki driver but ki co-driver hakani ka jingel kai ki de banglong mentally fit namar ba ki kali kinyat bet haka 4-wheel drive 4-wheel low umdai dang uhairu 4-wheel low kabamut ka speed kam don henrei ki yat suki lada ka don kanu ka jing sakut ki don ki recovery machine ya ka ba maki ki la pendat ki kali jongki ki haban le self recovery but lada required lada don kam ba ki mlat show ni don ka facility ya ka bangin saban recover ki kali jongki but ki driver but ki co-driver ini kumbaki long hakipor ke beladap ki long ki discipline bat hakani kasin ke bamentaru ni kermen bakan long ta
kakali JNNURM lani ki balatip pat ba kum ki bosaw ki bu jingmai ki pat ba ki ba shong bat ki bayat bayeng namar ka jingja pil break jong ki bosaw man kapor unong wat RTI uba de sparsing haka khandri trik mentau benai nailor ar puar ula bu ka jingkili ki tenat jong ki pulit traffic balai bakim check ki kot ki sla jong ki boss wat lada kide ki kali sorkaru namar kide ki kali ki bakit ye ki nong let nong wan bar ka bu jing mai ki pat ba lada ja ka jing pil break man kapor
ka checking nang kong namar ka de ka passenger vehicle nang kong ka de bendon ka safety passenger ka de bendon ka insurance naman ta dia accident ngene ka tai de ki pat ba ki claim insurance de ka bossa bendon insurance di kinse ka kanor ko namar ka fitness lor ka jinglong ti gibosa to la arim palat ne ki break ne ta lalong kumno ya ta ram dan kot ka pollution ro nam ta engine ro dan kot karuta ram dan kot but baro ikot kisla kam dan kot te jingli ka police banwen ka shek hakan no korkom la madu ma pilo hi menta ka bosa ka wara jingma bai ko ye senjar ne kot kasla kindon te gini jubab yang ai ko la shek te ikot ye kali di bosa ne ki shek hakan no korkom ya ka ta ram tip ken ba la tepo head on akau nam ta habede bakani ka baphan ke bashim nai kali ki ongba la the ba po het jung ka account jung ka government ti kim ai ki mat ka account number ye ni kim ai ti shu ai bai ba ki check ni kali man ka por ki pisala submit be cha ko ka office head of account
bara kitu ki kubor la poisha ka bakon tar hadu bangin de syambyang khublei shibun